This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Nappy. Perfect starter home or perhaps a winter home, this home is a must-see. Solid built CBS home that has been well maintained. Newer air conditioner and water heater, kitchen cabinets have been updated, nice pantry and gas stove. Guest bath has been updated, new vanity and master bath, large closets and tons of storage space in utility room and carport. Other amenities include accordion hurricane shutters and Rolladen hurricane shutters, gas generator, sprinkler system and well for irrigation. Private fence backyard with plenty of room for a pool. Needs some updating, but is a blank slate just waiting for a new owner to call it home. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Nappy at 772-370-4989.